How did it get shredded? Slow down. Well.
You know, like a belt is shredded.
Well, that's another project, I guess.
Okay.
Fucking coolant in the fucking pan here. Oh, I swear.
Plus a new belt. Well, I took your other belt off already, so you get time to put it on.
Water pump, belt. What else did you say?
So you want the pump with the gaskets. If they don't come with gaskets, you have to buy them. Thermostat, might as well, because we'll be in there already. Coolant. My parts tray.
It's your parts tray.
On the dog bowl.
Yep.
Somewhere.
Okay, this is the project for today. Got the water pump. Let's see if I can remember what everything is. Air filter, light bulbs, tools for the fan, mass airflow sensor, AC belt, thermostat, wire brush and razor blades, new gaskets, coolant, fuel injector cleaner. And that's not all, but that's all I could afford for today. Good times. I'm really lucky that my son can help me with all, actually I say help me, he does all the work. I watch and hold shit and sometimes do parts. Otherwise it would cost me $1 million to fix this truck. Pretty sure like $1 million exactly. Alrighty. Alright, we're gonna try hay string, because hay string is the most magical tool of all, with the pulley. And then we have to get a big ass wrench, this big old fucker here, and try to turn that bolt. See if it works. It fucking worked. Hay string, don't leave home without it. I did it! Let's see if I can do it.
So give it a little twist.
Twist.
And pull.
Motherfucker.
Paid by the hour.
What? Paid by the hour. You're not paid at all.
I know. It's technically $0 an hour.
Okay, I can't get the goddamn bolts loose. Fucking bitch. I don't think I have enough grip strength. Oops. Well, there's that.
See if you can direct it down.
Down.
Into that pan as much as you can.
Got the last little bit.
And you're going to have a bunch of spillage out of those too. Just so you know.
Okay. I'm working on these bitches here. It's a pretty neat little tool.
It's actually not at all what that's for.
Oh.
This is interior trim tool.
It works great.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of using tools for their not intended purpose.
There goes that one.
And then again, the less you could lose, the better. So pull your hoses up.
Up. My bad. I lost it all, I'm pretty sure.
The new one, plus a little water weight.
Can I hold it with one hand?
Bunch. Okay.
I don't know, we'll see. I just wiggle it. Oh, yeah, look at that. And then how does that bitch come out of here? Oh, look at that.
Don't hit your radiator
Don't
because you'll
hit my
fuck it up.
radiator. Thanks for telling me that, because I would have done it. Oh, Jesus. Now I'm using Brake Clean on some paper towel to clean up these surfaces a little bit better. Where I gotta put the gaskets. Where'd the other one go? There it is. Gotta get the magnet. Look at that little fucker. Let's see if I can reach it. Bad bitches. Getting ready to replace the AC belt, but this thing is a little too loose. Might be why the belt fell off in the first place. That fucker's broken. Ooh, it's like broken. Wonder what happened there. Well, that's gonna be a problem. I'm fucking tired. This shit is exhausting. And then I'm up in here like a fucking pretzel and trying to stay up on this thing. Jesus, that's a hard job. We're not even close to done yet.
Come on, bitch.
Got the pulley off. That thing got fucked. We're just about to call it a day. It's getting dark, which is not a big deal, but it's cold, and I don't like the cold. It makes me sad. So he's gonna show me how to take old t-shirt and plug the holes because we're gonna leave it till tomorrow. Also had to run to O'Reilly's because I got the wrong thermostat and I don't know, something else. I'm fucking tired. I can't talk no more. Okay, so I made a little wad. And just shove it in that little hole because you don't want shit in your holes. Is that good enough? Or deeper?
Can dirt get in it?
No.